Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer Kaizer Chiefs News Update. Le team le ezodlala ne-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu i-AS Simba ithenjiswe over 400,000. One of the bosses laphana bathi mabangashaya i-Kaizer Chiefs nje bazobanika i-400,000 bayishere as ama-player. So kubaluleke kakhulu ukuthi bakwazi ukuyiwina le game le against i-Kaizer Chiefs. Asazi ukuthi khona maybe okunye abangakwenza uku-influence ama-game since bathembise nama-player imali, but kunormal ukuthi bathenjiswe ama-bonus but 400 and something 430,000 or so masiyi-convert siletha kumarandi le mali lethenjiswa ama-player, but kuthiwe winani nina le game le, so ni-advance to ini ama-group stages. So hona ukuthi igame izoshape kanjani bafethu, kudlalwa later today. Ama-cameras awekho, let's hope Kaizer Chiefs ngeke bayirobhe. Then ngifuna ukungena bafethu kuMduduzi Shabalala, ukhulume ne-Kaizer Chiefs about ukudlala kwakhe laphana kuBafana Bafana, ukuthola i-opportunity. I mean uthole i-taste of like ilo international football. Obviously memorable win laphana for iBafana Bafana mayishaya iRwanda early this week bafethu, lana uShabalala angene khona late bafethu. And guess what, uhlangane nama-teammates wakhe laphana baflyer, azange asithole nesikhathi sokuresta mebuya laphana. So i-Kaizer Chiefs lana ithi bathi-ke the gifted playmaker ongene nga-88 minutes laphana, substitute ngesikhathi badlala laphana eMbombela iBafana Bafana iwina 3-0. Previously-ke uke wayerepresenta vele i-country yakhe kuma-groups or ngithi kuma-youth systems, even naku-CHAN competition uke wabakhona. I'm not sure nge-COSAFA, but yeah, nasi statement sakhe or meyikhuluma laphana ne-kaiserchiefs.com uthi it was a great moment for yena naku-career yakhe, because uthi wonke umuntu uyafuna ngempela ukudlalela i-country yakhe. So uthi-ke ukuthi adlale laphana bokukuhle kakhulu bafethu, ukwazile ukuthola ama-minutes on the day. Utshela-ke i-Kaizer Chiefs uya-reflecta-ke, I think i-moment enkulu for i-career yakhe. Uthi he has always wanted ukuthi abe part of i-main Bafana Bafana squad. Uyasho ukuthi naye uke wabakhona kuma-tournament lawa different, kuma-levels a-different ku-South Africa, but-ke uthi grateful kakhulu for i-opportunity abamnike yona laphana. Umdlalo una-21-ke lona, kuthiwa is looking to take that positive impact or positive vibe from iBafana Bafana ayifake laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs match le crucial kangaka bafethu, njengoba bazodlala i-CAF Confederations Cup against iSimba later on today. Overall uyaqhubeka uMduduzi Shabalala, nawo amagama wakhe. Uthi obviously-ke uyazi ukuthi le big game for bona kumele bayiwine ngempela le big game lena ukuthi bakwazi ukuqualifya ku-next stage of the competition. Uyasho ukuthi izoba nzima kakhulu because of badlala away first leg. Uya-admit-a ukuthi-ke while baya-recognize i-potential overall, but-ke uyazi ukuthi i-pressure ikhona laphana for bona. Uthi bayafuna ukuwina, uthi at least into ekumele bayenze ukuthi bakore laphana away, ukuthi bathathe lo advantage-ke baye nayo eJohannesburg, noma ngithi laphana eDobsonville, because bazodlala eSoweto eDobsonville in the next upcoming days. Uthi if bayakwazi ukwathatha ama-opportunities wabo laphana, they can go through, or they can go into the second leg babe ne-less pressure ukuthi kumele bakwazi ukwathola ama-results. Eshiya inzima kakhulu bafethu indaba ye-Kaizer Chiefs, especially njengoba kunganama-camera, but-ke sobona uyaqhubeka-ke ulona uMshabalala lana-ke uthi ba-aware ngama-conditions. Yasibona i-statement o-aware ngama-conditions, uthi although ngeke kube easy overall, but uthi they are familiar ukudlalela ku-hot weather as far as the pitch is concerned. Uthi-ke they have to go out there and make the most of a situation. Uthi at the end of the day kumele they have to go and win a football match. So I think le statement lesi siyazivezela straight ukuthi okay, ama-excuse angaba khona, but at the end of the day kumele bakwazi ukuwina i-match and babe ne-plan ukuthi bazoyiwina kanjani le match le. Bazi kahle kamhlophe bafethu ukuthi ngeke ibe lula, bazozama ukudlala ama-tricks abo-AS Simba ne-history yabo e-bad kuleya country leya, ukuthi bayakwazi uku-influence ama-game athenge no-revenue, but sithemba ukuthi lokho kuzoba avoided. But izinto zaku-CAF ngeke uzazi bafethu, ngathi bahlula ukudila nento enkulu kangaka in terms of like i-viewership, but-ke Yeah, bengithi cishe ngathi sobukela i-match. Ngeke siyibone nokuyibona le match, angazi siyobona ngey'thombe i-Kaizer Chiefs official meyikhipha iy'thombe zakhona kuleya match leya, but yeah, it's sad ukuthi we won't be able to see it on TV. Yeah, Mduduzi Shabalala sithemba ukuthi-ke uzokwazi ukuphusha umfethu ukuthi aphinde abuyele laphana kuBafana Bafana. Okunye esingaku-mention ukuthi maningi ama-player afuna ukudlala kuBafana Bafana, so i-CAF competition ingakwazi ngempela like ukubabeka ku-position e-better in terms of like i-selection nezinto ezinjalo. Ngike ngalibukela uCele laphana kwi-interview akhuluma ngendaba yokuthi uyafuna ukurepresent-a iBafana Bafana, uyafuna ukurepresent-a i-national team yakhe, but-ke ama-performance kulama-competitions lawa nokuthi bathathe i-Kaizer Chiefs bayibeke le phezulu, yiwo ama-opportunities okumele bawathathe overall. Njengoba ngishilo uma ngivula bafethu ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs idlala against i-team ethenjiswe over 430,000 or so. Makuthiwa bathi nje kumele bayishaye i-Kaizer Chiefs and then babanika lama-bonus lawa. So I mean obviously yabo AS Simba imali ayikho that much eCongo, so ukuthi bawa-promise imali engaka ngempela maybe bazokwazi ukuthi bayithathe serious le match. But asikhulumeni ngemali bafethu overall laphana ku-CAF Confederations Cup, imali inhle kakhulu. Well, not ithi ngingasho ukuthi inhle, ngisho ukuthi better than amanye ama-previous season in terms of ku-CAF. So ikhona imali e-serious bafethu. Ama-player they can look forward to imali ukuthi mabakwazi ukudlala kahle kakhulu bafethu bathola imali or bawinisa i-team yabo imali. Siyazi ukuthi ama-cost of travelling nokunye izinto ezi-difficult kakhulu, but the most important thing ukuthi manje seyingconywana imali. Asingeneni kuyimali. I-Kaizer Chiefs mayiqualify for ama-group stages bafethu, kuma-group stage because bayishintshile laphana imali seyingconywana. So if 400 wonke ama-teams yes aqualify for ama-group stages athola around boma-400,000. Imagine bafethu 400,000. Yeah, iningi le mali le kuya nge-current exchange rate ukuthi imalini, but it's almost 8 million or 7 million something just to qualify kuma-group stages. And then if uyakwazi ukuphuma kuma-group stages ufike kuma-quarter final or ushawe khona uthola 550,000. That's over over 10 million rands bafethu, over 10 million. And then umuntu oyiwinayo le competition lena ekugcineni uthola imali eserious-ke futhi naye boma-40 million or so or close to leyo mali leyo. But njengoba ngishilo ukuthi ngoba i-2 million US dollars kudiphenda ngani nge-current exchange rate or ngithi nje exchange rate ukuthi ihamba kanjani. Iningi kakhulu imali edlalelwayo, akufani as much as like izobashaya ephoketheni in terms of like uku-travel-a all over i-Africa, but guess what, nama-rewards wakhona angconywana akusafani nakudala ukuthi nje badlalela imali engekho, sekungcono kakhulu. Ne-Stellenbosch njengoba sishawe kuma-semi-final laphana last season bafethu, sathola imali enhle kabi i-Stellenbosch, sathola close to 20 million rands ngokushaywa nje kuma-semi-final. Mase sesihlanganisa imali yabo kuma-semi-final, ihlanganisa imali yabo ukuthi ye-affiliation yokuthi bafikile kuma-group stages, yeah they've got close to 20 million rands. But siyazi ukuthi at the same time batravelile laphana e-Africa because uqala kuma-group stages udlala ama-game away awu-3, uye kuma-quarter final udlale 1, uye ku-semi-final udlale 1, ama-5 games lawa bafethu away ne. And then before kuma-group stage kunama-match awu-2 okumele uwadlale, you play 2 games, so meaning that udlala ama-game ngempela close to, so would be 3 group stages, 1, 5, close to 7 games away owadlalayo if you're gonna try and maybe try and go all out, or uphelele kuboma-semi-final for boma-6 games owadlalayo and it-costa ukutravela zonke izinto. But guess what, mawufikile ekugcineni ukwazi ukuyiwina noma ushawe ku-final uthola imali enhle kakhulu. Sibafisela inhlanhla laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi bakwazi ukuwina noma kuthiwa amakhamera awekho because bayiplanile le nto le. Cabanga ama-team awu-2 waseCongo athi amakhamera awekho for bona. Ziyakhala ebholeni lase-Afrika. Danko bafethu, cela ningakhohlwa uku-like-a ni-subscribe. Simake sure bafethu ukuthi le page lifika ku-15,000 subscribers. Ngiyabona abantu abaningi bafethu, cabanga It's only like 10%, I think yeah, like around 10% yabantu ababukelayo but abasubscribe-ayo. Cabanga, over 100,000 yabantu abangasubscribe-anga. Subscribe-ani bafethu, iyasiza ukukhulisa i-channel nokukhulisa i-reach. Danko.